a wonderful day.
Wonderful evening. Hello.
You should interview her, have her talk about her animals and working on the ship.
Okay. Look at me all gussied up.
Oh, waiting for a elevator. Oh, and somebody's ready to take their own pictures. Oh, yeah.
It's a job.
It's a job. Okay.
Push the button.
We got another one.
Yeah, another one.
Are you showing us in the elevator? We're filming in the elevator, right?
Sure.
Well, people didn't realize we had an elevator, so I think this is important to mention. There are 6 elevators in the...
We'll take 5, please.
You got it.
Thanks.
What's in your little pocketbook? What?
That's a piece of amber.
That's a piece of amber.
Oh, that's a big
Yes.
piece of amber.
I've got little pieces. Yes, from Gdansk, Poland.
Mine were from Norway.
Ah. I got this amber when I went to Poland with my friend Gudrun. We took a train from Berlin some years ago. All right, let's get in. Going to the dining room.
Where's the dining room at?
It's over here.
Look at the gorgeous sunset.
Oh my word, is that gorgeous.
I can just pop out for a half a second. Come here.
I'm gonna show that. Wow, that's nice. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Unbelievable. I'm risking my hair to stand out here with you.
Hold this.
Wow. What? Yeah, oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Isn't it just gorgeous? Look how pink the clouds are. Now see, if you were painting that, here's your tip of the day. If you were going to paint that, you'd paint the clouds with just white, and then you'd go back with glazing medium and you'd glaze in the peach colors. Probably golden glazing medium is my favorite. That's how you do that. Please notice that the horizon line is level. A lot of times when you guys are painting the ocean, you tip it. And you want to make sure that you do that and don't have your horizon line dead center in your painting. Those are just some of our tips on painting a sunset. But I'll tell you what, this is why John and I travel, because we get inspired by views like this. And I think that cloud there looks like a mouse with his mouth open, and it looks like he's sucking up Cheetos or something. Doesn't that look like that? Looks like a little mouse, doesn't it, with little pink ears? Can you see that?
I can see that.
He's running very fast, like in a cartoon.
Running very fast to get those Cheetos.
Yeah, well, you know, I don't think, you know, the camera can't catch how bright and beautiful this is. I'm going to go on inside. Are we 3D on this?
Inside, you have the camera. Just a second. Get one more.
John's getting shots. That's good. I'm going to just turn around. Here's our ship. How beautiful is this, everybody? Look at that. All right, here's the camera. Moving on. Shall we just go to the table, or do we have to check in with her?
You have to check in, you have to write it down.
Okay,
We go through this every night.
I know, but I think...
Is this a new night?
I know, but it's silly. But okay. This is formal night. People normally don't... You'll see people getting all kinds of dressed up, from casual with jeans and a shirt to people like they're going to the prom only they're 80, right?
Right.
So, really. And
we're somewhere in between.
we're somewhere in between, you know. We're going to give thanks to the idea that you should dress up. John has a dinner jacket on and a t-shirt. Because it's dinner.
And my Crocs.
And I have. And my Crocs are sparkly. Someone said, what kind of shoes are you wearing? I got dressed up. I wear sparkly Crocs.
Absolutely. You went out on a limb.
They're glittery. They're just rare.
They're very rare.
I could have gotten silver ones.
But we didn't.
No.
The silver slippers.
Yeah. No. But we did that. I don't think we have to. I don't even think we have to be here, but I don't think we do. They already know the table. But okay, then they don't know what's Saturday. Okay, all right. So fine.
They may know the table, but who sat there?
Well, this is true.
And then they came slowly as an arm.
So anyway,
And the 15-minute flight.
well, it's not my fault. It takes a while to get dressed up for formula. One has to find your black Crocs. It could be anywhere. Right?
They were wandering around with the wild ones.
That's right. I like your Crocs.
I do like my children's friends that we have children.
What's his name? I forget it.
Oswin?
That's Ashwin. He's the head waiter. Oswin. He's
O-S-W-I-N.
Oswin. He's the head waiter. Okay, just so you want to know that, right? You want to know that he's the head waiter.
You keep looking up. What do you want to see?
Well, can they see me?
Yeah. They have to tip down looking at you.
What?
This is a 360.
Okay.
They can look all around.
Oh, isn't that cool? That's
So
cool.
teach you how to use it.
Yeah, okay. Well, you guys have got to scroll there. John will do an intro on how to use this. So you can see what we're doing.
Hopefully.
But we're going to try to do that in future videos from now on. We're going to try and add some painting tips to these, so listen for them.
Listen for those tips.
The ship is moving. Where are we sailing to? We're going to be in Guatemala tomorrow.
We're in the Pacific side of the ocean.
That's why we see her there because she can smile and take it.
Yes. Oh, I see Joe and Bob are already at the table.
You assume Joe's there because of the hair?
I can see the hair from here. I can find her anywhere because of her hair, right? This is the dining room. There's 2 floors in this dining room. We're on deck 5, and there's also a floor of diners down below. We're on what they call My Time Dining, which is pretty much can show up when we want, but we've made reservations for 5:30 every night. That's what we're doing, 5:15.
Same table. Hello.
You're so sweet. 3615.
Same table, I checked in, already 43.
Thank you very much.
Do we have to stop and ask you?
I think one more couple
Oh,
already
no.
came.
Can we just go in next
Yeah,
time?
you can go ahead. I know, I need to check you in.
See, I knew that. I
The
told
system.
her. I told her.
Hi.
Me. I was right.
Right, yes? Show
Yes,
them,
thank
go over and show them the box. Show them over there. That's people dining. I'm going to go to there. Oh, this is a pottery. Came from the dance hall.
Bob, how are you? Hello. It could rain tonight. I have my umbrella on. What?
Bob, how are you? Now, you don't know what to join in. You want to be French. Well,
You're looking well.
is that a second question I must answer?
Are you looking well? That would be the question. I have a picture of you. Would like to see it?
Would you like to know me how I'm looking? Today I look nice. I combed my hair.
All right, guys, we're gonna have dinner. Bye.
Say cheese.
Yeah, say cheese.
And pick up some
Bread.
bread.
Bread and milk.
In addition to this lovely group that we have today, we have a special woman of the man who is dressed to win the world.
I tell you, that is gorgeous.
Well done.
Well done there.
Where did you possibly get that?
Coles.
$79.99. Off the rack? Off the rack. We're hitting Coles on the way home, babe. I gotta have that.
It
baby.
was, what was it, 2 years ago?
Do you wear it in the Caribbean?
It only goes with me on cruises.
Oh, that's definitely.
We've had it in the Caribbean, we've had it in Australia, the South Pacific.
What did Australia think of it?
Oh, they laughed. They thought it was great. There was a guy came up to me and he had on the kilt and the big thing on formal night, and I had this, and he goes, "Good Lord, Vaughn, you've outdone me."
Well, stand up, show the pants, because look, you got to get the whole effect.
All the way down. Yeah.
Just fabulous.
Wow.
It was fun.
That's a keeper. And cut.
Which one do we like?
Wave to the fans.
You
guys get the picture?
Oh, did we already get it? I wait.
Team player.
There he is.
Making a trip around.